Namaste dear children, welcome to class 3. In the previous class I have explained the second lesson, the little red kite, and in today's class I will discuss the question and answers part. It's in page number 18. Read and understand. A. Main question. Tick write the correct answers. First question. It was a perfect day for flying kites because. Three options. Hari was in the park. B option. It was a cloudy day. And option C. It was a clear and breezy day. See, it was a perfect day for flying kites because Hari was in the park. When Hari was in the park, then it is a perfect day for flying kites? No, Hari can be in the park anytime. Every day he may go to the park. Every day is not perfect day for flying kites. Option A is wrong. It was a cloudy day. If cloudy day is not suitable for a flying kites. Every day it may be cloudy day. In these rainy season, every day is a cloudy day, but that's all days. Cloudy days are not suitable for flying kites. C option. It was a clear and breezy day. Clear and breezy day. Breezy means the gentle wind is flowing in that day. Breezy day. That day is suitable for flying kites. Second question. The little red kite trembled because it was. A option. Afraid of falling. B option. Feeling cold. C option. Afraid of the other kites. A option. Afraid of falling. A option is correct. Afraid of falling. It thought that I might fall on a sharp branch or a cruel thorn, like that. It is afraid of falling. Feeling cold. No. Little red kite won't felt cold. C option. Afraid of the other kites. When it is not starting to fly at all, why it is afraid of other kites? C option is also wrong. A option is correct. That's why I marked here already. A option correct. Second question. In the first question, C option I marked here already. And third question. The red kite felt very excited when. A option. It saw the trees and the bushes. B option. It started flying. C option. Minnie first threw it up. The red kite felt very excited when it saw the trees and the bushes. When looking at the trees and bushes, the red kite felt very excited? No. It not felt very excited when it saw the trees and the bushes. B option. It started flying. Yes, when it started flying, then the red kite felt very excited. And look at the C option. Minnie first threw it up. When Minnie first threw it up, is it red kite felt very excited? No. That's not the answer. The answer is B. It started flying. Fourth question. All the other kites. A. Welcomed the red kite. B option. Scared the red kite. C option, did not see the red kite. C, A option, welcomed the red kite. Yes, when red kite started flying, the other kites welcomed the red kite. Look at the B option, scared the red kite. Are the other kites scared the red kite? Oh, you will fall, you go there, like that. If any other kite says these words, scaring words, no other kites scared the red kite. C option, did not see the red kite. Other kites did not see the red kite. No, they saw the red kite and they welcomed the red kite. So, welcomed the red kite is the correct answer. A option is right. Fifth question. The purple kite was. The purple kite was. A option, a small kite. B option, mini kite. C option, a huge kite. Purple kite was a small kite. Look at the huge purple monster. Ravi's kite says to Hari's kite. Green and yellow kite says to red kite that look at the huge purple monster. It could hurt you. Like that it says. So, purple kite was not a small kite. Purple kite was a mini kite. No, Mini doesn't have any kite. She helped Hari to fly the kite. So it's not the mini kite. C option, a huge kite. Yes, C option is correct. Look at the huge purple monster, huge kite. Purple kite was a huge kite. Next, main question B. Answer these questions. You need to write B main question in your CW. First question. How were Hari and Ravi's kites different? I will give you the answer here. Like that, like this, you need to write in your CW. First, chapter number 2, the little red kite, name of the lesson, and B main question, answer these questions. And first one, answer I have written here, but you need to write the question. How were Hari and Ravi's kites different? Write first line question, second line answer. Ravi's kite was a big green and yellow one. Isn't it? Ravi's kite was a big one, green and yellow one. Hari's kite, on the other hand, was a little red one. This is the first difference. Second difference. Ravi's kite was brave and flew into the sky as soon as it was thrown up. Brave means ready to do anything without fearing. One who has no fear, he is called brave. Here, Ravi's kite was brave and flew into the sky as soon as it was thrown up. When the Ravi's friend threw it to the sky first, it started flying. Hari's little red kite was scared and would not fly. At the first, when Minnie threw this little red kite, it wouldn't fly. It afraid of. So it was scared. The little red kite was scared and would not fly. These are the two differences between Hari and Ravi's kites. Second question, which sentence tells you that the little red kite was afraid? Which sentence tells you that the little red kite was afraid? Write the question after the first answer. Don't leave any lines, because very few lines in this page. In your books also 4 lines book it is. It's not like other books, so don't leave line between the answer and questions. Started writing the second question soon after completion of the first answer. Write the question, which sentence tells you that the little red kite was afraid? And the answer for the second one is the sentence, but the little kite just trembled a little and lay down quietly on the ground, tells us that the little red kite was afraid. See the sentence, but the little kite just trembled a little and lay down quietly on the ground. This one tells that the little red kite was afraid. Third question, why did Minnie jump high? What did she tell the kite? See, two questions in question number 3 has two questions. Why did Minnie jump high? First question. In that continuation, what did she tell the kite? Write this question after the second answer and started writing the answer here. Minnie asked the kite to try hard when she threw it up. She jumped high so that the breeze would lift the little kite up into the sky and it would be easier for it to fly. These answers looks a longer one, but try to write it. Once you write, then it will become easier. Answer is, Minnie asked the kite to try hard when she threw it up. This is the answer for what did she tell the kite. Next one, she jumped high so that the breeze would lift the little kite up into the sky and it would be easier for it to fly. This is the answer for why did Minnie jump high. Two questions answered, that is why it is a longer answer. Write the fourth question. How did the kite feel when it started flying? And the answer for the fourth question is, the kite felt very excited when it started flying. Small answer, smart answer. Fifth one, why did Ravi's kite call the purple kite a monster? And the answer for the fifth question, Ravi's kite called the purple kite a monster because it was big and could hurt the smaller kites. This is the answer for fifth question. So write 5 question and answers in your CW, and in next page I will give you the answers also. I need to move fast from now onwards. See, discuss in class, C main question. I am not going to discuss that C main question. Next main question, word wise. Here opposites phrases, D main question. Find words from the story that mean the opposite of these words. Rise, fall. See, fall is there in the story. Second word, blunt. That opposite word is sharp. However, I am giving answer here, but you need to try these words. Where are these words? Underline these words in the story. I am giving you the clue or the answer, but you need to read the story and underline these words. Which words? Fall, sharp. Next, third one is low, opposite word is high. Fourth word, pull, opposite word is push. These words you need to find out in the story. Fifth word, far, opposite word for far is near. Sixth word, below, opposite word for below is above. Seventh word, cruel, opposite word for cruel is kind. Eighth word, little, opposite word for little is big. So these opposite words you need to find out in the story. Underline these words. E main question. What can you do in a playground or a park? Match the columns. What can you do in a playground or a park? Match the columns. First one, sit. Second one, play. Third one, ride. Fourth one, run. And options are A, tennis, B, a bicycle, C, around, D, under a tree. Sit under a tree. First word, sit. Under a tree. We sit under a tree, or you sit under a tree. Second word, play. Tennis. In the playground, what can you do in the playground? You can play tennis. Third one, ride. A bicycle. In a playground, you can ride a bicycle. Fourth one, run around. Run around. In the playground, you can run around. These are the match the columns. Match the columns and click a photo and send to my WhatsApp number. Next main question, spell right. Unscramble the jumbled words and write the correct words on the blanks. See, here also I have written answer. See, first one, SSGRA. This is the unscrambled jumbled word. By using these letters, which word we can make? Grass. Second unscrambled jumbled word, second jumbled word, SHUB. BUSH, bush. Third jumbled word, TEKI. And the answer for this jumbled word is kite. KITE. Write the capital letters only. Fourth one, PLEPUR. This jumbled word we can unscramble this jumbled word as purple. PURPLE. Write in capital letters. Fifth one, LUERC. By this jumbled word we can make cruel. CRUEL, cruel. Sixth jumbled word, KYS. And the answer is SKY, sky. And this is for today's class. I will end here and I will take the next part in the next class. Children, be safe in your home, be happy, and write the CW and click photos and send to my WhatsApp number. Take care of yourself, children. Dhanyavad.